Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here. Val and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after a fake out from a big falling wedge pattern, the price of Chiliz again re-entered the same wedge that was previously broken out. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now let's take a look at the live chart. This, by the way, a daily time frame chart. First of all, let me just show you this 7 days time frame chart. And this was the wedge. And here you can see that the price and broke it out for a while. And after the breakout, we had a short pump, but the price then could not continue this move to the upside. And again, we entered the same falling wedge pattern. And the reason that the price then dropped down again was a bearish path move that Chiliz formed while moving to the upside. You can see that first, let me show you on the 4-hour time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that first we broke out this down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. Then we had a nice pump. By the way, the technical target for this breakout, I was telling you, was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 8.3 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. But while moving to the upside, it formed enough channel. That was a bearish path move. You can see that it was nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. But finally, it broke down the support rather than breaking out the resistance. And while breaking down the support, it also broke down the previous resistance, the bigger falling wedge pattern that could work as a strong support. But now we are completely re-entered the wedge. And while moving to the downside on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have also found another downtrend line resistance as well. And for the past several days, the price is again and again getting rejected by this resistance. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and now is again moving towards this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of January 2024 with my members a few days ago. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very nice pump, by the way. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish bad move that Chiliz formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has pumped almost 104%. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Chiliz, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that after the breakdown from this up channel, we had a big drop. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown that I was telling in my previous videos was here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 6 cents. And you can see that the price then has almost hit that target. But while moving to the downside, we have also found another downtrend line resistance as well. We got rejection here, another rejection here. And now if the price and reaches at this trend line, then again, it can work as a very strong resistance. By the way, this time we are also having a very strong resistance here at 7.46 cents as well. That was recently working as support here, support here. Before that, it was working at a resistance here. And again, it is working at a very strong resistance for the price. And if the pricing will be rejected by this resistance, then again, it can drop to the next support of 5 cents. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 5 cents has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And again, it can work as a strong support for the price and of Chiliz. And in case of breaking down the 5 cent support, it can drop down to the support of the bigger falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, and that support will be approximately at 2.9 cents. That can be a very, very big drop if the price breaks down this support of 5 cents. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that Chiliz has formed a big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and now the movement is getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. For example, if we will have a breakout and long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.